The following message is transmitted at the request of Redmond Police Department, the Bothell Police Department, and the King County Sheriff's Office. A curfew has been placed in effect by the Bothell and Redmond Police until 7:30 a.m. this morning. A giant fishbowl with a loudspeaker has been seen rolling along several streets and roads including Interstate 405. It is believed that this ball originated at Humongous Entertainment headquarters, and that the ball has Freddi Fish, Luther, and Freddy's cousin Calico Catfish inside, on their way to Microsoft headquarters to once again create madness and protest for the development of MinderiaOS by causing water mayhem, and possibly deliver a copy of their new game, Freddi Fish. The case of the hogfish rustlers of Briny Gulch. If you see this ball, stay far away from it as it is moving fast, made of glass, and considered extremely dangerous. Stay tuned for an all clear.